Are you looking for ways to boost your income and gain financial freedom? Starting a side hustle could be your ticket. In today's video on Finance Focus, we're diving into practical steps to help you turn your skills and passions into a profitable side hustle. Whether you want extra cash, new career options, or a creative outlet, this guide has you covered. From picking the right hustle to managing your time, let's get you started on a path to success. Ready to unlock your earning potential? Let's jump in. 1. Identify your strengths and passions. One of the most important parts of starting a side hustle is aligning it with your natural strengths and interests. Think about activities you find enjoyable or skills you're proud of, like writing, designing, coding, or cooking. When your side hustle connects with something you already enjoy, the work feels less like a chore and more like a creative outlet. Plus, it's easier to stay motivated when you're working on something you love. You don't need to be an expert from the start, but having an interest in the area will make it easier to learn and improve. Passion also often translates into better results as clients or customers can sense genuine enthusiasm in your work. So list out potential side hustle ideas based on what excites you most, then explore where you can add value. As you narrow down your list, consider where your skills can meet a real demand. This could be in the form of a service people need or a unique product they'd love to buy. Also think about how much time you can realistically dedicate. Some side hustles are flexible, while others require a steady commitment. And remember, the goal isn't to start perfect, it's to start. Each step will bring you closer to building a fulfilling and rewarding venture on the side. 2. Research market demand. Once you have a few ideas, the next step is to make sure there's a market for what you want to offer. Look for people who are actively seeking these services or products and assess the level of competition. You can check freelance sites like Upwork, Fiverr, or TaskRabbit, which provide insights into popular services and what clients are willing to pay. Also browse social media, forums, and community groups where people discuss these interests to understand their needs. Pay close attention to what gaps or frustrations people mention, as filling a specific need can make your side hustle stand out. It's equally important to gauge the level of competition. If a market seems flooded, think about how you could offer a unique twist or specialize in a niche to differentiate yourself. Additionally, consider reaching out directly to people in your target market to get feedback on your ideas. Sometimes a quick survey or casual conversation can reveal valuable insights. Be open to tweaking your concept based on what you learn. Flexibility can be a huge asset. Lastly, remember that building a side hustle is a journey, so give yourself room to experiment, learn from your experiences, and adapt along the way. 3. Define your side hustle. Now that you have an idea of what's viable, it's time to narrow your focus and define your side hustle more clearly. Outline the specific service or product you'll offer, the type of people who need it, and the time you're realistically willing to commit each week. For example, if you decide on freelance graphic design, define what types of design projects like logo design or social media graphics you'll specialize in. Knowing your target audience is key because it influences how you market yourself. Decide if your ideal customers are small businesses, individuals, or perhaps a specific industry. This clarity will save you time and effort as it allows you to focus on opportunities that match your side hustle strengths and your availability. Once you've clarified your focus, consider setting short-term goals to keep yourself on track, like completing a certain number of projects each month or reaching out to new clients weekly. These milestones help you measure progress and keep momentum going. Additionally, think about any resources or tools you might need, such as design software, a portfolio website, or marketing materials, and plan how you'll acquire them. 4. Start small and test the waters. Starting small is crucial to prevent burnout and to give yourself room to learn. In the beginning, aim to offer a limited version of your service or product to get feedback without overwhelming yourself. You could offer your services to friends, family, or small online communities, even at a discounted rate, to gain experience and confidence. This step also helps you improve your offerings before approaching a wider audience. It allows you to experiment with your pricing, communication style, and workflow, so by the time you're ready to expand, you'll have a more polished and professional approach. Remember, your initial clients could become advocates, providing valuable testimonials that will help attract future customers. 5. Set clear goals. Goal setting is essential to give your side hustle direction. Without clear goals, it's easy to lose focus, get discouraged, or spread yourself too thin. Begin by defining specific, measurable goals, like making $500 by the end of the month, completing 3 projects, or spending 10 hours a week on your side hustle. Set both short-term and long-term goals. The short-term ones keep you motivated, while long-term goals help you visualize the bigger picture. Goals also give you a way to measure progress, which can be incredibly motivating. Every time you achieve a goal, it's a reminder that your side hustle is moving forward, giving you the confidence to keep going. 6. Develop an online presence. An online presence is almost mandatory these days as it gives potential clients a place to see your work. learn about your services, and contact you. Depending on your side hustle, different platforms may be better suited for showcasing your skills. LinkedIn is great for professional services. Instagram and Pinterest are ideal for visual content, while a personal website can act as a portfolio for almost any field. You don't need to be on every platform. Focus on the ones where your target audience spends time. A well-curated profile with a portfolio of past work and testimonials makes you more credible. And even a simple website can make you look more established, helping you stand out from competitors. 7. Utilize freelance platforms and networking. Freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, TaskRabbit, and Etsy can be great for landing initial clients as they provide access to a large audience. Start by setting up a profile that highlights your skills and includes a portfolio of your best work. Pricing competitively can help you attract initial clients, but be mindful not to undervalue yourself. Aside from platforms, networking can be incredibly powerful. Reach out to online communities or groups related to your niche and engage in discussions. Sometimes word of mouth is all it takes for someone to recommend you, especially if you've made a good impression in relevant forums or groups. 8. Manage your time effectively. Juggling a side hustle with other responsibilities can be challenging, so effective time management is crucial. Start by deciding how much time you're realistically able to devote to your side hustle each week. Create a schedule that dedicates specific hours or days to your side hustle, and treat these like any other commitment. Consider using time management tools or apps to keep track of tasks and deadlines. Block out focus periods where you avoid distractions to maximize productivity. If you're finding it difficult to balance everything, reassess and adjust your schedule or workload as necessary to prevent burnout. 9. Stay organized with finances. Keeping finances organized is key to maintaining a successful side hustle. It's easy to mix up personal and business expenses, so consider setting up a separate bank account or using budgeting software to track side hustle earnings, expenses, and taxes. Accurate records help you see how profitable your side hustle is and avoid financial confusion come tax time. Additionally, staying on top of finances lets you make informed decisions about your side hustle, whether it's reinvesting profits, raising rates, or reducing costs. You'll also be better prepared to scale up if you already have a clear understanding of your cash flow. 10. Continue learning and adapting. The more you learn and adapt, the more successful your side hustle can be. Pay attention to feedback from clients and observe trends in your industry. Continually look for ways to improve, whether it's through refining your skills, taking relevant online courses, or finding ways to be more efficient. Adaptability also helps you stay resilient in a changing market. You might discover a niche you hadn't initially considered or an opportunity to expand your services. Remember, the world of side hustle is always evolving, and keeping an open mind to learning can lead to unexpected growth and success. Thanks for watching. We hope these tips help you take the first step towards starting your own side hustle and boosting your income. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to Finance Focus and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more money-making tips. Got any questions or thoughts? Drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Keep hustling and we'll see you in the next video.